Hello viewers, again welcome. Now today we dive into the world of beautiful yellow designs like sunflower and honeybee. So these designs are very attractive and powerful and also very beautiful. And these designs, you can get these ideas and grow your business with these designs. So first of all, you should take ideas if you are an artist, so you can make it at home and you can grow your business. You can happily decorate your home. So these designs are very more attractive and powerful region, and it's healthy for mindfulness and great idea for everyone who is want to make and who is want to decorate our home. And jute rope and burlap art, combination of yellow sunflowers, so it would be a really nice combination and beautiful art made with these like of combination. So hope you like this ideas and designs, so stay tuned and watch till the end. If you want more designs like this and different types of ideas you want to get, so you can follow our channel and leave your comment in the comment section. We will try to upload whatever you want to watch, whatever you want to say and watch. So we try to bring for you a best design, best of best ideas for you. And we uploaded pebble art also, but most of the time we uploaded jute craft and burlap art with combination of these arts are very popular and beautiful. So decoration is the soul of your home, and decorate your home is very mindfulness and great for mind, healthy for mind. So getting these ideas for your home, and you can make very beautiful art box, houses, bird house, and many more ideas like this. And you can create this with the bottles and jute rope plus flowers. You can add and put this on fairy lights and beautiful ideas. So how you feel about that? What do you think about that? So tell me about this in the comment section, and your comment is very precious for us. It would be really nice of you if you get some times for us, and very thankful to you. So how you feel about these designs and ideas? These designs are very beautiful and powerful. So thank you for watching. Recycle your old things like bottles, jars. You can create with them and make some different types of five designs. Okay, you can make 5 designs, and each design would be masterpiece and different from another one, and it's a variety of your art, and you can post it on social media and then see what will the response about it. And if response will be good, so you can do your business. You can make different types of things with this jute rope and yellow touch, like you can make wreath for upcoming season, and different types of ornaments like candle holder, and you can make pencil holder and lantern with it. Add some fairy lights, flowers, rustic touch. So